Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 23. This is Section 2.1, Problem 23. It says convert the mixed number 3 5/8 to an improper fraction. So in other words, we want to write the same amount as a fraction that has only a numerator and denominator, or top and bottom, and the numerator or top part will be bigger than the denominator or bottom part. So to make that conversion, what we do is we start with the denominator and we come up and we multiply times the number in front. So 8 times 3 will give me 24, and we take that result and going from the front up to the top, we add. So we have 24 and we will add 5 more. 24 and 5 more is 29. And the denominator stays the same. It was 8 in its mixed number form. It will stay 8 in its improper fraction form. So 3 5/8 is equivalent to 29/8.